तो भारत के पास दो ऑप्शंस है, या माने आलमी कानून माने, अपना सिंतास मुआहदा माने और अमल दरामद करे। नहीं मानते तो पाकिस्तान एक और जंग करेगी और 6 के 6 दरिए आपके होंगे।
After new threat by former Pakistani foreign minister that Pakistan will go to war and seize all 6 rivers, Defence Minister Rajnath Singh has warned Pakistan that any attack on India will invite disastrous consequences, and Home Minister has said that the Indus Water Treaty will never be restored. The National Investigation Agency has arrested 2 locals from J&K for providing food, shelter and logistical support to the Pakistani terrorists who carried out the Pahalgam terror attack. US President Donald Trump has announced that American B-2 bombers have struck 3 nuclear sites in Iran, and that Iran's key nuclear enrichment facilities have been completely and totally obliterated. The first image of Iran's Fordo nuclear facility has now been released, which shows a set of missile entry holes that are visible just above the underground facility. Airbus Spain is all set to deliver the 14th and last C-295 transport aircraft to the Indian Air Force, while the remaining 40 will be assembled by India's TAR-2 advanced systems. The 10th MH-60 Romeo helicopter for Indian Navy is conducting pre-delivery tests in the US. The Indian Army has started raising the 3rd Regiment of the Dhanush 155mm 45 caliber howitzers, and some howitzers has recently been delivered for the 3rd Regiment. A DRDO team visited an Airbus facility near Munich in Germany, and the delegation was briefed on the technical specifications, operational capabilities and design innovations of the Eurodrone remotely piloted aircraft system. Gridbots has successfully concluded trials of its Katana remote control weapon station at the Galwan Valley in Ladakh. Indian Navy's Russian-manufactured advanced Talwar-class guided missile frigate INS Tamal will be commissioned into the Indian Navy at Russia's coastal city of Kaliningrad on 1 July. The Indian Air Force has reactivated its Schuler Air Force Station, that will serve as the new home for the No. 3 Cobras Squadron, which will become the first unit to operate the Tejas Mark 1A fighter jet. INS Nilgiri, the first of the Project 17A stealth frigates, has joined the Eastern Naval Command. The Mach 5 Star supersonic target missile program has progressed to Phase 3 development, focusing on full system integration and advanced validation trials, and developmental trials is expected to commence in late 2025. A high-level Belgian defense delegation were briefed on latest offerings by Sagar Defense Engineering in Pune. HAL Chief has said that Hindustan Aeronautics is actively progressing with the design and development of the Indian multi-role helicopter, while awaiting formal government approval. Garden Reach Shipbuilders has identified potential sites on both India's east and west coasts to expand its shipbuilding capacity. The Indian Army is procuring 26,449 advanced multi-spectral camouflage nets to enhance the stealth capabilities of its critical equipment across diverse terrains. The Indian Army and Indian Air Force are all set to place orders with Larsen & Toubro for the DRDO-developed 10-kilowatt directed energy weapon. After partnering to locally produce Falcon 2000 jets in India, Reliance Infrastructure and France's Dassault Aviation have offered a specialized maritime variant of the Falcon 2000 maritime multi-role aircraft to the Indian Navy that will be tailored for maritime reconnaissance and patrol missions. The DRDO chief has announced that the long-range anti-ship hypersonic glide vehicle that showcased Mach 10 speed and its ability to execute precise terminal maneuvers and strike targets with pinpoint accuracy in November 2024 for the first time, will conclude all trials within the next 2 years. He also confirmed that land attack variants have also been planned for the Indian Army and Air Force as part of the proposed integrated rocket force. Today's top 3 comments.